how to fix loading chunk failed on Discord. Now, the specific troubleshooting step that I'm going to be providing you without any further ado is just to simply resetting the whole Discord client. To do so, before doing this troubleshooting step, make sure that your Discord is not running. Just simply right click on it and click on Quit Discord. So for you to be able to completely delete or uninstall the whole Discord client is just going into your Windows icon, type in run, click on enter, and then just simply choose on app data. Click on OK. And here just go to local and look for the Discord folder. Now what you want to do is to right click and then just simply delete this folder. Next thing to do is to go back to your Windows icon, type in run again. But this time what you're going to be searching is going to be the percentage sign followed by local app data percentage. Click on OK. Now again, you'll have to look for the Discord folder, right click and delete the file. Now the method that I provided you is actually to properly deleting or uninstalling Discord completely on your laptop or PC. Simply download it back again to the trusted or official site on discord.com and try to relog in into your account. So those are the things that you can do for you to be able to fix loading chunk failed on Discord.